Machita and Amakhrodman. Kule video ndithetha nge-best players the Pirates so far this season. Kule video ibi before lena it was the Kaizer Chiefs Mosman. If uye wayiphosa ujonga i-timeline channel. So in this video the best players all in the Pirates so far, 3 of the best. The best team in the country Mosman. MTNA champions, Carling knockout champions, and the log leaders, Betway Premiership, top log, top spot. They're sitting at the top of South African football with 3 points. They're leading with 3 points, 35 points. Sundowns in second place with 32. Pirates at 35. Bucks first player number 1, who I think is the best player at Pirates. What a player bafethu. Lebone CM. Askis ngophazamisa Machita. Xa singalibali usupport i-channel, ushaye nje u-like okanye if eqala udibana ne-channel ungalahli ungaphosa ziwezi grand, ushaye usubscribe sileqa u-20,000 subscribers bafethu. Andicele marandi bafethu, ngicela nje usubscribe okanye u-like mojo bafethu. Central defender. What a talent. Never makes fouls. So quick Umchita. Easy, clean with the pass. Awuhlambile ipass yakhe Umchita. Clean. This one Umchita akazolast abafile out ya Orkani le Machita. Oqala I think izofunwa zi top teams of Africa oqala like uMama Wydad no Alach so banga mtarget Umchita. But I don't think it's going to go there. Apho nibona khona Umchita Europe kanye USA. Sayazi mos scouts zihlala lapha mos ngoku zigcwele ngeSouth Africa. Lebone CM bafethu is not going to stay long. He's not going to be with us for a long time bafethu. What a player, what a talent, what a signing for Orlando Pirates. Next top player Pirates bafethu ni Filayo. Is there another one Packet defense? No, I don't think so. Fullbacks uHotto Van Rooyen abakadlala i-best football yabo so far this season la Machita. So no, and then uSibisi didn't play much of the season. Uzodlala ngoku after uMbokazi Mkile. And then in midfield Sihlenbuli went to Wempunyanyana Umchita. What a player, but totally injury, a blind. Musi out. Makaula is only coming back. Ngoku was playing well, but he just came back. Who else is there? Talent Mbata is not playing his best football right now. Who else is there? Nemchatela Masindi is in and out. Umchita not playing his best football. Mbole is not playing his best football. He's in and out of the team. Yeah, not central midfielder, but okay, he's one of the best players. But there's a lot of talent, but they have been coming in and out of the team. And then wide, Apolis had a top start. Umchita, he was like in his own class, but he lost form. Umchita, ever since he came back to AFCON, lose a bit of touch, but he's gonna be back. He's a top player. Tshepa Ngoremi now, he started well, he lost form. He lost his scoring touch. It's a grand movement yakhe ne overall play yakhe, but he lose his scoring touch. And then we get to Mufokeng. Yo heights we mbogeleyo. Orele, the number 2 top best player Pirates right now. What a tell you, Orele bafit. I always say, by the way, I think not 2 goals in 2 games in Ngoku. I always say Orele bafit baleya. Sayibona yonke leyo yenzayo ngenyawo zakhe Umchita, but i-talent karele bafethu ibhola yalamlo ilapha enhloko nje usemngqondweni nje, and you can't take that away from him ever. If a player's football is in his brain, if form is by the way that sometimes he drops it a little bit. He doesn't really drop form, but sometimes he just loses the touch a little bit. I lose the rhythm. But ibhola yona, it's in the mind. Intelligent footballer, Joe. What a player Mufokeng. Now I think Zophele hamba at the end of the season. Pirates, can you believe every time I'm surprised by say Pirates Nayazba. Yeah. He rejected like 3 offers for Umchita last season. He rejected 3 offers for Umchita last season in Parks. A1 bisuka eSaudi Arabia kwiLanduza kwi-Al Ittihad la team kaNkotha. The other one was from the USA, team ka Bongokuhle Hlongwane, Minnesota United. Pirates rejected the offer. And the third one, I think, was from a team Russia, I think. Russia, like as of springboard, it's about okay, is grand for to propel the career you home. It's like most players in South Africa, they get to Russia and they come back or they go lower. They don't want to take to the next level. A USA or nah, is it the springboard? Is it a stepping stone league? You're gonna see with Mbogazi plus Tetani. So far, Hlongwane plus no Oretu Makanya, they've been playing well there, but they haven't stepped up to like the European leagues. But we're gonna see the jury's still out. So yeah, Mofokeng Bafetu, he might not go to a USA, but what a player. Let's see. Otherwise, Mofokeng, I always enjoy watch the player. I'm supposed to be moving on, but when I talk about Mofokeng, I can talk for hours, but to him la light. Third player, Bafetu, in 3 of the best players the Pirates right now. Who can we? Bana front line, number 10 position. Nobody's owning that position. The Pirates, they've been in and out from Ombole, Umasangwani. Goku, there's a new player. I think about Ude Young. Ude Young. Nah, he's just a rat actually. So it says a lot. It tells a story about number 10 position. Orlando Pirates attacking midfield role. Mofokeng, by the way, no, Mofokeng udlala pha bafethu. Mofokeng, that's why he's playing his best football. He's playing and he has settled in the number 10 role. It's not the first time he did play as a number 10 under Jose Ribeiro, former coach of Pirates. But I guess Goku is only really gotten comfortable in the system. Also, maybe it's because they set up Nabi. I mean, Nabi. Who's this guy? Owatu has kind of inspired Mofokeng a bit more comfortable. Maybe it's the time of his career. The pressure, the AFCON plus the move overseas is kind of settled down. Has gone through that, but yeah, Mofokeng is the best number 10 of Pirates right now. So yeah, we're number 2 best player on the Pirates, and then number 3, who's there? Yeah, since it's new wingers, who I'm gonna give it to? The strikers, the Pirates, I'm gonna give it to Umbutu Mama Chita. Yo, the player there, I'll create Umbutu Mama Fit. The time of what he dying at him, I don't Shalolile, Peter Shalolile, like he's the young and the new Shalolile. Shalolile must be a tire, Yabo. And then Lena, the way him Chitagalanga Itiski, I think like the type of player that he is, I think Yafana no riding. No, Peter Shalolile, but he's a new version. He's younger and he's quicker, and he's got a better touch. Not technically, technically compared to Shalolile. His technical level is just like a few percentages, a few levels. Then Peter Shalolile was more. He was more like hard work, running hard, that was his best strength. But he was not so strong, like on the technical side. And then this one, I out. What makes him dangerous is that he's got the hunger and the work ethic and the style. Shalolile. And then he's a better player technically, he's a better footballer technically. If you're honest, Bafetu, Ulanuz, except Peter Shalolile is hardly a player, Bafetu, but he's a worker, he's a runner, but he's hardly a player. If you know what I mean. But the respect Shalolile always, Bafetu is a PSL legend, Sundowns legend, and a Premier Soccer League legend. But Umbutuma, watch the space. He gets it, and as a demands, Bafetu is like strictly demands, striker sako, so be hard runners. See press it from the front of the way. That's why we saw players like Mabasa living around the Pirates. Umahopa, it does that, but I think Ulanduza Umbuthuma is taking it to the next level. He's what is current number 1 walk in terms of his choice, center forward number 9. Still younger, Grand Umchita is only like what, 22, 23. What a signing, what a future. He's gonna be one for the future, Umchita. And then Umchita, the way he's playing, he players go to these days they going overseas so if Umbuthuma eqhubekeka na sambona a better bafethu, he might be the next player making the move to Europe or USA. Great talent, great signing again for Orlando Pirates from Richards Bay, Yanela Mbuthuma. So those are the 3 best players Orlando Pirates right now bafethu. Detail number 1, Lebone Siema, still only 22. What a player. Number 2, Lebohile Mofokeng, settled in number 10 role. And then number 3, Uyanela Mbuthuma, center forward. Nazo bafethu. Ngicanga bafethu ziziphi ezinye players zenu okanye ziziphi players ngicifana ba I should have included upper that I forgot. Please let me know bafethu. Otherwise ngicela ngale support the channel, shaya like okanye subscribe. If I called my channel, shaya subscribe. Ngaphosa uzwe igrand okanye shaye like. Much bafethu.